Hi guys, welcome to the Tycoonseries YouTube channel. I'm your host SESOTHO, and today we'll be sharing Mojolo stories. So guys, today I'm with my guest Melo. She's gonna tell us all about her Mojolo stories, or a particular one, I don't know. So Melo,
everything. The things that they did cannot be undone. We live in a world, social media, everything is centered around there. There by your inbox, you're so pretty. I mean, I know. Hello. But it gets to a point where Muchona is consistent in the things that they do, and you eventually decide, okay, you know what, let me give this person a chance. We meet up sometime in town. So I but jolly, okay, so we and I text him later, okay, no, but sharp, I'm not, you get to know this person, you think, you end up actually falling in love with this person. God, are you? Mjolo. So my biggest issue, I'm a lover of love. I will give you everything that I am. You know what? This is Melo, and she stands for this, that, and the other. The hotspotter. The rest of the count. Unana hore o main cheek. And throughout the relationship, you wonder you get to think, okay, these are my people. So you have a squad of your friends, and you think they support you because I give it with a poster. Post the shame. I will let the world know, Ukuti, this is my person, and ain't nobody gonna say shit. But I was just yo o tla ntlontlolla ntse le tseba gore ha ke re nna ke mbogoto
ke nna menchik
ho postiwa nna le hore ha o tla mo botsa ha ke re empa ke tseba hore o jola le thato ebe o tla tshwe empa ke rata wena le nna be ke inahana hore okay, no, you know what, girl, wena o postwang Facebook, so why you ka batla ho nahana hore these other, you don't matter. Ke re wena postwang ho ratwa wena. I took guys, Bashanyana.
Then Mjolo happened.
And then Mjolo happened. Fine, honestly, it was great. I won't lie, Hori. Okay, no, Nantita Kamuho, Janjwa. You meet the folks, meaning, I think almost a year. Hobani. It was almost a year. Hey, can it say
it's soon coming.
It's coming. After we broke up, about Ori. No, Unasa Abilarekile engagement ring. Engagement ring. And I'm thinking, honey, engagement where? No, but on Facebook he had a whole hoo-ha. I think he just wanted sympathy. But my guy,
But when did you realize, okay, this person is playing me? Go left, right, and center.
Okay. because I'm thinking, imbogoto, you know, I can stomach this. Ha, ke ne ke tla bona body text. Ho thwe, o tlo how le ghost in your own relationship. Ke ba mona ba ile reng how ba la di text ba botsa hore na o kae mantho, you know?
Le wena man.
Ke nna mantho, ke nna mathoto ka hara relationship ya ka. Fine. Ebile ke postuang.
Confident.
Ke sharp mos. Why? Ke sa nahana hore ke nna fela ka hara motho. Thinking how mama.
Wena ba like text ka nako.
No, ke hobane ke fitlhetse to a point ya bala di text. Ha se ke bona hore hi, okay, fine. Then at Facebook and the comments, I'm suspecting ho etsahala tjena le tjena. But I did not have tangible evidence, right? Ebe ke tla bala di text here ba ke misses ke fe bo di password phone ke di bala ke go tsona hantle.
How brave is he though? Who find the password and everything, and that's what
That's what I'm thinking. My guy, you know the thing that you're up to. What the fuck are you doing? You're giving me your phone. Ke nahana hore Ntori, but one of deleted conversation. What?
Happy Habalanga, Ellie now,
right? So get like Gadiba, like one time I was with a male friend of mine. He's a mutual friend. Gadiba, who's in the back seat. He's driving the lady wa Mutunikana. I'm going through. We're both going through the text like
literally meow.
Hey, Kashebo, my guy. Bona mole bona la style no way. But really, ke re motho ke style fela ke nna style. Ntse ke dutse le no ntse ke bona hore phone ya ntjwetsa hore no humang until it got to a point where I'm just like nah, fuck this. I can't. Ebe ho so tlaya di story sa hore ona checketse ke mama mo sebetsing.
But that time you're still in the relationship.
I'm still in the relationship. I think a part of me was in denial. This is not going to end well. We had a whole video about
it will
all
end in tears. Red flags and everything.
But why papa? The problem is
I know what you mean.
How channeling na urata and you're fully invested. What the born but then you're just like,
oh my guys, but let me just stick it out.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, maybe. But they don't. They don't.
What's the zebra?
It's literally, it's always been the case. So also you put talking that. You know about what the fuck is going on? Lena, okay. Hobane neng kita latu mosebetsing anale this friend of his. Ha ke latu ya mosebetsing kita introduce a hotel. Okay, this is who. Obviously, I've seen the relationship ya bona. This is my girlfriend, whatnot. Okay, balatile mosebetsing. We have lunch together. I'm thinking, how did you me motwak?
And then I'm not gonna be that girl. I start battling.
I'm insecure, right? Because I have male friends. Why can't he have female friends?
I mean,
sharp. So my secret is always Becky phone.
Uguti ubani wo texta yo.
Seki share. Ha ke kena ka ga conversation e la ya haile mkhotsi wa hae.
Yelwa mo pick up.
Yelwa ha ke swa lunching. Who di nude?
Hey.
Like, okay. Jale di nude ke a botsa he.
Ga jale ntole sendela.
Le sebetsa bang. Ke dintho tsa gale tseno. Obviously, we've moved past that. Like, you've moved past it, but they are still in your phone. Has it kissed phone the following weekend? So the chinchilli beats. Hi, Sally, Banban. Has it Gineone? It's a lay tad. Go in trip on way bad. Who exactly is this person?
But then tell me, when did you decide that this is the last straw? Which incident made you decide, I'm not staying in this relationship. I'm done with this and I'm out.
I wouldn't say it was a particular event. It was a build-up of events. Because what I usually do in a relationship is that it is over it is really over. Because I emotionally have to leave that relationship first. So for me, it was okay. With each text, with each heartbreak, a part of me in Theto, which made it easy for me to find comfort in somebody else. Because this person was now bringing the one thing that I longed for in this relationship. Serenity. Right? So it made it easy for me. So what happened was, his birthday. His birthday weekend, and we decided to celebrate the guy. But in my head, I knew, this is definitely my last weekend. Me knowing him, I'm just like, okay, you know what? I've been embarrassing myself. Who fit at the car. For way too long. It's time for me to detach. My emotions are already not here in this relationship. So do vacation. You know, nice. So I decided, okay, birthday weekend, we're having a birthday party. We had a whole birthday party.
So you have done it with him all along?
All along. Blue Point Bay. It's a whole celebration. And then we decided, okay, no, let's move it to Ether, make it exclusive. It's his friends and my friends. You know, we get there, we're balling. You know, I'm balling, that's for sure. Shit. I'm spending my money, dog. But
and yes, you know exactly on the DL, but that's a yes for sure.
You know what? I go for a proper send off. So that you remember me. I threw your whole birthday party. I had guap and I bawled, right? Sharp. We have the birthday party, and the day after, it's a Sunday. Ebe. Robert. And I'm on Facebook. I'm thinking, this motherfucker. Why am I here? I'm deleting pictures, everything. I'm just like, all the evidence. Okay, gone. That I don't even want to know you no more. Shit, man. God damn it. Cool. And I go to the car and I think, there's that one person that I've been planning things with.
And I need to go there now.
You may get, okay, hey, I don't know what is this. Isn't going to work, but you know what? Let me give him a call.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Nothing could be worse than this.
Right?
I mean,
you know, I'm thinking to myself, but when I'm born, and the weird thing is, after the relationship, there was a whole hoo-ha on Facebook. We were the Facebook couple. So after the breakup, it's a hat.
So now we're out there.
We're out there. I will post you. I will show everyone. This is the man I love, and I don't care.
And I'm not apologetic about it.
Right? How nataba so hoo-ha, and he has his piece. His side pieces are there. I think for him having attention you know, side pieces that I need. He mastered that game. When it comes to dribbling, he will dribble the shit out of you because he worked on it. Okay. No,
so after that person, you like moved or slide straight into this relationship that you're in now.
And that I'm in now. Because it's not like it started on that day I decided to leave the relationship. I was losing a piece of me with each time.
So it's also
Can I please take you out for lunch? Yes. To apologize.
Because I've been wasting your time, dude.
I've been.
Person.
Because now it's time to just get the ball rolling.
How was it? Is it still nice?
No, it is still nice. It is everything that I've ever wanted in a relationship, and I don't ever doubt I made the right choice. You know, it's fine.
You're content with everything. When it comes to this person.
I am petty as it gets. Trust me, I am petty to the core. I am petty. But what you see, Liam, we had a I'll say it's a mini vacay with our friends. There was 6 of us, so we had a couples thingy. You know, hey,
I can't
Chelete ka re ntse
nna ke tla lefa bola la skela wa ga lona le tla ba so
a utlwa fela hore no e re ke tla kopa ka mola e be ke tla be sentse ke etsa
bogana le main tender,
you know, di sabunyana ka hara tender.
Yeah, no,
that's so no to see, sorry, it's that petty. I'm that petty. And then I just decided, okay, you've had your show and you've had everyone think I'm the villain in this whole thing, because throughout the drama I was quiet and just decided,
and you know what's
it's
surprising
not worth my time.
Is that people will know very well the kind of man he is, and still they will try to paint you as that guy.
Right.
They will know very well hore re jola le nna re le 10 le rona ra tseba. Mara still villain in Seliani. Inside loads of magacheled.
Right? After the whole breakup story, but okay, I'm content with whatever it is that happened, and I'm cruising nicely, you know. But ke tla kopana le mene one ha ke re ke dimpho mohlomong ke kopana le dimpho re, oh my god, I'm so sorry about your breakup. Ke kopane le dimpho le thato le ma ba ntshedisa hore no ha le hantle ra tseba hore you were not the problem. And I'm thinking, but throughout Facebook you made it seem like I was a bitch.
Oh God.
What's going? Are you just buying fakes? I think it was a way to just try what am I doing now?
What are you into now? Who are you into now?
Wait, who was I into?
But do people know though?
Of course. Like I told you.
You post. You make sure.
Post you.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
I am that person.
So
if I love you, I will give you.
It is beautiful.
Everything.
And the fact that you still believe in love like this is most like it's even more beautiful.
My friends will tell you, Hori, that one. When it comes to Mojolo, go Mojolo. But
nonetheless,
I am there.
Guys, thank you so much. I just had a great time with you.
Thank you for having me.
Jola happy when I girl have fun.
I guess I Jola na
or emetere.
Kamara Maria fella.
Brother, if you're listening out there, if you like it, then you should put a ring on it. Anyway,
no,
guys,
but he already knows. It's not even a matter of
no pressure.
No,
you're not putting
it's
any
not
pressure.
Even any pressure. You know, ke bua ka ntho tse sentse di etsagala. Hai, hore.
Mojolo is not always wrong, guys.
Go tlo mema hore.
I can mewe guys mo manyalong o me.
No, don't worry. We got you. We do. Itla ha o qeta ho ntsha deposit fela. Be go jetsa hore ke sentse re hlophisetsa date. Khomosa dikene ka molapeng.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much, Melo. You've been an amazing guest.
Thank you for having me.
I enjoyed your story. It's amazing. See you again, guys, next week, Friday, same time, same place at Mojolo. Stories, breakups, everything. Tell us, come send through your stories and we'll just share them. Enjoy it so much. Thank you so much.
All right.